Hello and welcome to Kingdom Specialist Cars. We're pleased to present for sale this 1988 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, the R107 series. These were produced between 1971 and 1989. This particular car has covered just 63,000 miles since 1988 by 5 clearly very careful, fastidious owners. It's supplied with a comprehensive service history file, very well organised file I have to say. I forget how many stamps are on the book, but do give me a call, I will be able to tell you. Finished in smoke silver metallic paintwork, absolutely gleaming. I'd hazard a guess that this is original paintwork, but being the age of the car, I can't guarantee that, but the finish is, I think, factory finish. It's that nice in the metal. As you can see on the interior here, the date cloth check, I think that's very Mercedes-Benz of the era. Leather's all very nice, but this to me is very much a Mercedes-Benz sort of feature. The rear seat's been fitted at a later date there with the correct safety belts in place for those little ones who want to go for a ride in the sun. All very nice. And it has the Becker Mexico Grand Prix 2000 cassette radio. Walnut wood, which is gleaming. And as you can see, the dials here showing very orange, which means the car's not being kept in the sunshine, it's always been garaged. 63,800 miles. And in stunning condition. All the wheels are in perfect condition, wearing Michelin Energy tyres all round. The car will be supplied with a fresh MOT, of course, and a pre-sales check. Like more details, do please give me a call or email me. The details on the website, which is www.kingdomspecialistcars.com. I look forward to hearing from you.